Why is Chinese food so delicious? There are several reasons. First, China is a huge country with many different climates and ingredients. This has led to many distinct regional cuisines. For example, people in Yunnan like sour flavors, people in Sichuan love spicy food, and people in Guangdong prefer food that is light and fresh, highlighting the natural taste of the ingredients. This variety in regional flavors gives Chinese food great diversity and inclusiveness. Second, Chinese cooking methods are very diverse. There are many ways to cook food, such as stir-frying, steaming, boiling, frying, and roasting. Combined with skillful cutting techniques and careful control of heat, these different methods can bring out unique flavors and textures in the ingredients. This makes Chinese dishes have many layers and endless variations. In China, food isn't just for filling your stomach. It can also help heal your body. This is the idea of food and medicine coming from the same source. Chinese food philosophy says we should eat different foods in different seasons. In spring, we eat light and fresh green foods like qingtuan and bamboo shoots to wake up our body. In winter, we eat warm and nourishing foods like lamb and radishes to help our body stay strong and fight the cold. But whether we're eating or drinking, the key is moderation. Chinese food culture blends seasons, nature, and our bodies together. There's healing wisdom hidden in our food, and while we enjoy delicious meals, we're also learning to be self-controlled. Breakfast is super important for Chinese people. It's considered the most important meal of the day. There are so many different kinds of breakfast foods, and they're all super tasty. In the north, people love hot soy milk and fried dough sticks. In the south, rice porridge with pickles is really popular. Also, steamed buns, steamed bread, pancakes, and noodles are loved all over the country. Some places have their own special snacks too, like rice noodle rolls and soup dumplings. A good breakfast gives you the energy to start the day. For Chinese people, breakfast is not just a meal. It's a culture, a habit, and a way of life. Baozi is one of China's most representative traditional foods. Baozi mainly has two parts, the dough wrapper and the filling. The filling can be made with meat or vegetables, and it has endless varieties. The filling is the soul of baozi's taste. The shape is usually round and full, with folded pleats at the top. Northern baozi are big in size with lots of filling inside. People often eat them as the main food. Southern baozi are smaller in size and are usually eaten as breakfast or snacks. In Chinese people's hearts, baozi is not only a symbol of reunion and tolerance, but also represents warm memories in Chinese food culture. Soy milk is a traditional drink from China. It has a history of more than 2,000 years. People make it by grinding soybeans, filtering them, and then boiling the mixture. Usually, people drink soy milk with fried dough sticks, baked pancakes, or steamed buns. There are two main flavors, sweet and salty. This drink shows how diverse Chinese food culture is, and it reflects the different styles of northern and southern China. For many Chinese people, soy milk is a taste memory from childhood. It's deeply rooted in daily life and has become a cultural symbol.
Fried dough sticks, or youtiao in Chinese, are one of the traditional breakfast foods in China. It is said that the creation of youtiao is related to Yue Fei, a national hero from the Southern Song dynasty. Yue Fei was framed and killed by the treacherous official Qin Hui. The people were very angry about this and invented a fried dough food that looked like Qin Hui and his wife Wang, calling it fried Hui. This is how youtiao came into being. In China, youtiao is usually eaten with soy milk. It has a crispy outside and a soft inside and is very popular among the people.
Dumplings are a traditional staple food in China. They are plump and look like ancient ingots, which is why they are given the good meanings of wealth and luck. Dumplings are made by wrapping different fillings like minced meat, vegetables, and spices in a thin layer of dough. There are many ways to cook dumplings. You can steam them, boil them, or pan fry them. No matter how you cook them, they are delicious. During festivals, when families get together to make dumplings, Mom often secretly put a coin in one of them. Whoever is lucky enough to eat this special dumpling is said to have a year full of good fortune and luck. Dumplings are not just a warm and tasty food. they also carry the feelings of reunion, blessings, and joy. Noodles are a spiritual comfort for Chinese people. Whether you're feeling groggy in the morning or tired after a busy day, a bowl of noodles can instantly recharge you. There's a saying in Chinese folk culture, dumplings for departure, noodles for arrival, which means that no matter how far you go, there's always someone at home, like a kite string guiding you back. Because of their long shape, noodles also symbolize longevity in Chinese culture and are often served at birthday celebrations. In China, what wakes up a city is never an alarm clock, but a steaming hot breakfast. A Chinese person's day starts with eating well. In the north, people love hot soy milk with fried dough sticks. In the south, millet porridge with pickles is very popular. Steamed buns, pancakes, and noodles found everywhere are the most familiar stomach warmers of early morning. Breakfast stalls with all kinds of food steam, with the flavors of north and south, and also bubble with the original intention of life. Breakfast is the first happiness switch in our lives, and it's the warmest morning ritual for Chinese people. Radishes in winter, ginger in summer. In China, food and health are closely connected. People often change their diet with the seasons. In spring, everything comes back to life. People love fresh and light bamboo shoots and green rice balls. In summer, it's hot. Watermelon and mung beans become popular to cool down. In autumn, it's dry. Pears and lotus roots are people's favorites. They help with keeping the body moist. In winter, people sit around a table to enjoy hot pot and stewed lamb. It's warm and helps prevent colds. This is not just delicious wisdom, but also a way to stay healthy and follow nature's way. Did you know China has a famous dish named after a celebrity, Dongpo pork? It's named after Su Dongpo, a famous poet from the Song dynasty. He wasn't just talented, but also a great cook. He created this dish when he worked in Suzhou. The recipe is simple. Use pork belly with both fat and lean meat, cut it into mahjong-sized pieces, tie them up, then add soy sauce and rock sugar. Cook it slowly for over 2 hours. This slow cooking makes the pork tender and silky, not greasy at all. It just melts in your mouth. Tofu originated in China. It's made mainly from soybeans. Through steps like soaking, grinding, filtering, boiling, solidifying, and shaping. You can use it to make many dishes like mapo tofu, pan-fried tofu, and stinky tofu. In traditional Chinese culture, tofu represents purity and simplicity. People often use it to describe someone with good character. Because fu sounds like foo in Chinese, tofu also carries meanings of good fortune and wealth. A piece of tofu runs through everyday meals and carries Eastern wisdom. With its simple appearance, it teaches us real good taste comes from nature and is made with care. Cured meat is a classic Chinese dish, especially beloved in the South. The recipe is pretty straightforward. Coat the pork with salt, pepper, and star anise. Let it sit for a few days, then smoke it over cypress branches and citrus peels. The result? Firm, chewy meat with amazing flavor. Each region has its own twist. Cantonese cured meat leans sweet, while Yunnan and Sichuan versions are saltier with a stronger smoky punch. Come Lunar New Year, cured meat takes center stage on the reunion table. It's more than just food. It represents a bountiful harvest and family warmth, carrying everyone's hopes for a happier life. Tang Yuan, also known as yuanxiao in northern China, is a Chinese food with a long history. People make it by rolling glutinous rice flour into round balls, then fill them with sweet stuff like black sesame or peanuts. The round, plump shape represents family reunion and happiness. Every winter solstice night, kitchens in southern China smell like cooking Tang Yuan. Old people say eating it brings reunion year after year. When it comes out of the pot, people sprinkle osmanthus flowers on it. When you bite through it, you feel sticky, sweet, warm, and soft all at once. The warmth goes from your tongue to your heart. The mooncake is a special food for the Mid-Autumn Festival. Its round shape represents the Chinese people's wish for family reunion and a happy life. The outside is usually golden yellow, and there are many different fillings inside, like lotus seed paste with egg yolk, red bean paste, and mixed nuts. There's a story about mooncakes. It's said that during a rebellion in the Ming Dynasty, Zhu Yunzhang's advisor Liu Bowen hid a message inside mooncakes that said, "Rise up on the night of the 15th day of the 8th lunar month." After the rebellion succeeded, the tradition of eating mooncakes during the Mid-Autumn Festival became popular. Every time the moon is full during this festival, eating a mooncake is like tasting a deep cultural feeling.